Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. So in this video, we will discuss questions about principles of working in the private security industry. We will discuss 72 questions in total today. Each question will have 4 options and one of them will be correct. You will have 3 seconds to guess the correct answer and then I will reveal the answer. Make sure to watch the complete video till the end because as always, I will discuss some of the most important questions that can be asked in the exam and also some of the questions are taken from real life exams. Now with that being said, let's start with our first question. Why do employees need to keep personal information safe? So the correct option is the last one. They need to keep personal information safe to comply with the current data protection legislation. Next question is, with regard to fire safety, which of the following is a possible way of ignition? So the correct option is the last one. Sunlight can sometimes be a way of ignition. So any flammable material should ideally be placed outside of sunlight. Next question is, which of the following describes a common reaction by people in an emergency? So the correct option is the last one. A common reaction by people in an emergency is that they may panic and freeze. Next question is, which of the following describes a bee fire? So the correct option is the first one. Flammable liquid describe bee fire. Next question is, when should fire doors be kept closed? So the correct option is the first one. Fire doors should be kept closed at all times. Next question is, which of the following does a fire extinguisher with a green band contain? So the correct option is the third one. A fire extinguisher with a green band contains foam. Next question is, what would security operative do when taking bomb threat call? So the correct option is the second one. The security operative should be attentive and listen carefully to the caller. Next question is, what is an emergency term? So the correct option is the first one. A situation that is unplanned and threatens safety requiring immediate attention is called an emergency. Next question is, which of the following would be described as an emergency? So the correct option is the first one. A lighting and power system failure would be described as an emergency. Next question is, which of the following describe the specific duties of a fire marshal? So the correct option is the first one. Identification of fire hazards and ensuring escape routes are kept clear. They describe the specific duties of what a fire marshal does. Next question is, what actions should a security operative take following a situation in which an individual suffers an injury? So the correct option is the second one. They should deal with the injury within the limits of their own capabilities. Next question is, what is an evacuation? So the correct option is the last one. A controlled process of getting or keeping inside a site when there are safety concerns outside. So basically, if for some reason the outside area is dangerous and you have to keep inside, then a safe and controlled way of staying inside is called evacuation. Next question is, which of the following best describes non-verbal communication? So the correct option is the first one. Non-verbal communication includes gestures, stance, eye contact, and facial expression. Next question is, which of the following is one of the key purposes of the private security industry? So the correct option is the last one. To provide personal and appropriate protection system to protect people, property, and premises is one of the key purposes of the private security industry. Next question is, the regulation of the security industry is the responsibility of which organization? So the correct option is the third one. The Security Industry Authority or SIA is the organization that is responsible for the regulation of security industry. Next question is, which one of the following is the expected standards of behavior for a private security industry operative? So the correct option is the first one. The expected standard behavior for a private security operative is reliable. Next question is, which of the following is the benefit of community safety initiative activities? The correct option is the first one. To improve the physical security of vulnerable targets. Next question is, what is the purpose of security operatives assignment instruction? So the correct option is the first one. The purpose of security operatives assignment instructions is to describe their role and duties for a specific site. Next question is, which of these is correct relating to the use of CCTV? So the correct option is the last one. The system must not record in private places such as toilets. Next question is, which of these might limit the effectiveness of CCTV? So the correct option is the second one. The training of the operator that is operating the CCTV system might limit the effectiveness of the system. Next question is, what is one of the advantages to written communication? So the correct option is the second one. There is no immediate feedback. Next question is, what must a security operative do if they are required to attend court? So the correct option is the third one. If any security operative is required to attend court, they must follow advice for legal representative. Next question is, what is the approved contractors scheme ACS? So the correct option is the third one. It is a voluntary scheme for security companies that have reached set standard. Next question is, what should a security operative be aware of with regard to the limitations of the CCTV system? So the correct option is the second one. They should be aware that the individuals may become familiar with the scope of CCTV covering. Next question is, which of the following describes one of the main aims of the Private Security Industry Act 2001? So the correct option is the third one. One of the main aims of the Private Security Industry Act 2001 is to raise standards in the private security industry. Next question is, which of the following is covered under Article 6 of the Human Rights Act? So the correct option is the last one. The right to fair trial is covered under the Article 6 of the Human Rights Act. Next question is, which one of the following describes a possible benefits of teamwork? So the correct option is the first one. Teamwork helps provide a safe and professional service. Next question is, which one of the following is a key principle of customer care? So the correct option is the first one. Listening to the customer is a key principle of customer care. Next question is, which one of the following is an example of an offense under civil law? So the correct option is the second one, breach of contract. Next question is, which one of the following describes the most effective way to communicate with customers? So the correct option is the last one. Making sure your communication is understood is one of the most effective ways to communicate with customers. Next question is, which of the following actions would be most appropriate for security staff to take in the event of a terror threat? So the correct option is the second one. The most appropriate actions for security staff to take in event of a terror threat would be to inform the police of the incident that need their immediate attention. Next question is, which one of the following describes an internal customer? So the correct option is the second one. A work colleague is an example of an internal customer. Next question is, why is it important to maintain accurate record? So the correct option is the second one. Provide a clear audit trail of incidents. Next question is, what information should be included in a report following an incident? So the correct option is the second one. The report should include what happened, the action taken, and the outcome or the result. Next question is, what types of records may need to be completed following an incident? So the correct option is the first one, logbooks, incident report, and accident report. Next question is, which of the following represent the UK government treat levels in order of severity? So the correct option is the third one, low, moderate, substantial, severe, and critical. Our last question for today is, what is marauding terrorist attack NETA? So the correct option is the second one, a fast-moving, violent incident where terrorists move to a location trying to kill or injure as many people as possible. Now those are all the questions for today. If you have any confusion, make sure to leave a comment down below. I'll try my best to answer you. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.